Well, like any business, we have competition as well, and we like to think that we are a pretty good competition ourselves. But we're very proud of our products, and we think that because of the initiatives we have taken, and I guess the vision and the foresight that we put together, this hasn't been a rush to market type of software. That we understand the business and we know what people want, and we want to make it easier for them, and I think we've done a very good job of that. And so while everybody has a good product, and we all know that, and we know that there's some products that are very, very good out on the market, what makes us different is, first of all, we've put everything into one. There's no one who's done that, and but we actually haven't just done it for the sake of doing it. We really believe there's a connection on all three of these products put together, and what they do and how they work. It is key. Like for example, with iConnects, the fact is that we can actually be able to decide when our people are going to communicate with a customer, and that is it is amazing how powerful a tool that is. And while there are some tools that do that out there, again, it's included in All R1, and it's just an admin thing that somebody can do, and they can actually improve their future immediately with a little bit of time spent on the admin part, getting everything set up for your company or your individual. It's amazing. And one of the other things that we have some of the best templates out there, whether it's a script template or it's a newsletter template or whatever it is. We have a bunch of stuff out there that will really help. And we want to work with the people too and try to make it better, because that old adage, we want you to succeed. If your customers succeed, you will, and that's exactly what we believe in as well. So with all the competition that's out there, I think there's certain things that really stand out for us. There's very few innovations that we have that aren't sort of on their own, and they're amazing innovations. As far as the iConnects, we can appointment filler. We're the only ones that have that. We have customized messages, but it's not just customized messages. We can have 1,000 different messages for 1,000 different customers daily. So that's a powerful tool. We have one of the best speech-to-text and text-to-speech versions on the market, and we're very proud of that as well. I think our sales generator iSales tool is so powerful, and while there's some other great companies out there that have fantastic reports, and we like to think we do too, and we're probably playing a little catch up to get up to their level, but we're pretty darn close, and we think that our reports and our sales generator system will just make companies flourish. And it's not necessarily only for sales too. Is like the fact is our customer service, which we strongly believe in, it will improve those contacts, because we believe communication is the key, and that's why this is such a fantastic communication tool. So we're very excited about all that. So we believe that if you look at your glass half full and half empty, as far as competition, ours is over half full, and I think every day as we make more and more improvements and fine tune our system even more, our glass is going to be fairly full, and so we're very, very proud of everything that we've done, and I think when you see it in operation and you take that trial, and I think you'll be excited that, wow, this is really something different. And it is. It's totally different. The same end is what everybody wants, is we want to improve our customers' experience, and I think who has the best tool? I think we're one of the ones that have the best tools, and it's affordable, and it's thorough, and I think that's part of all the package, and so we're very proud, and we think competition is going to stand up and take notice to us, and we're not scared, because we know we've built a better mousetrap, and this is a great tool.
As I was mentioning, as our competition is fairly significant, we believe because of our foresight of having all three products put into one product makes us a leader in the industry, and we're very, very proud of that. And so I think when you see a demonstration, you'll understand that as well. iStaff owes its birth to a time a while back where I had some involvement in a temporary and permanent staffing office. And when I looked at the industry and looked like what was out in the market, and knowing at that time that I was developing the iSales and the iConnects and of course the iMeet products, I was thinking of how they run their business and how it worked for them. And so part of the plan was let's redo staffing software, and I think we have a software that everybody's going to want. So generally every industry software for staffing all basically cover the same areas, and all have sort of the same buttons. Some do it a lot better than others, and others are maybe not quite as efficient. So we began starting off with a fairly basic model at the start. But and we slowly have been developing it and making it a more powerful tool. But the plan was, after we had gotten the staffing software in place for temporary and permanent staffing, then we decided, wow, wouldn't it be a great opportunity now to put the iSales and then the iConnects and the iMeet tool as well. And now no one can compete with us in this industry. We definitely have the best product on the market. Now, as we've mentioned before, what the iSales part of it will generate revenue for them right off the start. And we'll guarantee that for that office. The iConnects will make them never forget to contact their clients or potential clients, and that will also generate revenue and also reduce costs at the same time. And finally, iMeet is another way for them to have more meetings scheduled, and with some of the tools that we have available with that, it will work in that industry, even though they haven't up to now really used those tools as much as they could. But being that all three products are put in and are included in a very affordable monthly rate, it's going to be a huge product. And I know the test companies that we've dealt with, 10 companies went in, all 10 want the software. So there is nothing on the market. It is going to be extremely powerful. And the staffing industry is, well, it might not seem like a big market. It is quite a large market. There's over 150,000 just in North America alone. And with them paying anywhere from $200 to $400 a month, and it's a very significant industry. So if we even can capture 10%, 15% of that market, it's going to be a very lucrative market for us, and especially as we go worldwide with it. So we're very proud of that. So while we know there's competition, we really don't have competition. And I think we can prove that right away. So we keep our price reasonable, we keep our product up to date, and we show them ways that they can save money, reduce staffing in a number of different ways, and also be more efficient. We will definitely be a leader in this industry.